could it be the best budget CPU cooler in 2018? Well, I'm not sure. I mean, we haven't even opened the box. But one thing's for sure, this is one interesting CPU cooler, guys. I tell you that. Sitting at a very interesting price point and 10-year warranty. Things are looking good. Huge thanks to Arctic for sending me this. How's it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel, you'll find PC components, tech gadgets, and console accessories, as well as product reviews. If you're interested in that, consider subscribing. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing Arctic's latest cooler. It's called the Arctic's Freezer 33 eSports 1. And yeah, with that said, let's get started. So, short backstory, guys, before we dig into this puppy. So, since 2001, Arctic Cooling have dedicated their efforts to producing innovative products at an affordable price to their customers. Now, until 2009, they focused solely on cooling products, creating multiple patents and consumer-oriented solutions, guiding the market to greater efficiency and noise reduction. In 2010, they became Arctic, and since not only devote time to producing performance cooling parts, but a whole set of innovative peripherals and sound products as well. We're probably gonna see more of that in the future. Now, the Freezer 33 eSports 1 is a powerful tower CPU cooler equipped with their latest bionic fan. Now, thanks to the newly developed thermal coating on their new bionic F120 fans, the cooler should give us top-notch performance and should be able to handle CPUs with a TDP of 200 watts, which, if you think about it, is pretty mind-blowing. But guys, let's dig into the box and see what we got. God, this is gotta be interesting. So Arctic has been putting down a ton of time on their latest series of fans. They call them the Bionic X, by the way. Let's see. God. All right, let's see. See if I can find the way to open the box. Do I need some tools to open this? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. So let's see. All right, let's see. This is something we're probably gonna see more of it in the future. We got everything online. We got a QR code here which you can scan with your smartphone, which is nice which saves a ton for the nature. Hooray for a greener future, right? Let's see. So what do we got here? So these fans comes in a total of 4 different colors. We got red, blue, yellow, and white. I chose the red because I think it's going to match our system perfectly. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is the mountings. Yes, this is the mountings, both for the AMD and the Intel set. I was gonna show you guys super quick. So this is for the since I'm using an AMD Ryzen system, we're not gonna need the bracket for the fans. And these are the brackets that's gotta hold the cooler in place. Obviously, this is for AM4, and I believe this is gonna be for the Intel. Oh yeah. All right. Cool. Awesome. What else do we got? Also, yeah, we got a small bag here for the cooling paste, obviously. So this is wow. Wow, this is huge. God, I'm really impressed what they've done here. God, this looks very interesting. Oh, look at that. I like the coloring, black and red. This is gonna look fantastic. Now if we flip it around, we get a better look of the cooling pipes. We got 4 in total. Please peel off label before use. Sounds like a great idea. So this fan has a RPM between 1800 and 200 RPM, and yeah, hopefully at 200 RPM you won't even be able to hear the fan at all. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to find out. Obviously, I'm gonna cover everything in the full review, but as you can hear, guys, I am super excited. So that's it, guys. Expect a full review within the next couple of days. Now let me know in the comments below, guys, how much are you willing to pay for a budget cooler in 2018. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.